Okay, hey everybody, this is Jared again, and I'm going to show you a little more about the drilling of these holes.
And
just
here's
for
me
the heck
again.
of it. There's Isaac again. Okay, again, check out my wife's website, sponsored by Cincy. Blah blah blah. Christy Cincy.
And here's Daddy right
Okay,
here.
those ones I already did. I'll probably get a washer. I just went and got the washers out of the shed, and I'll just tighten those up to see how
And now me and my treehouse.
flush I can make them. Okay, Isaac, let me talk. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this one, just to show you, I'll be drilling through the MDF, this 2x3, which is screwed to it, and then this one, which is not screwed to it, but it's going to rest on it when it's in the van. So my whole idea is to just anchor it, so obviously when it's in the van, it's secure and not moving. And then I have a washer and a wing nut to screw it onto the bottom. And a 4.5-inch nut, bolt, is what I'm using. I think they're 3/8 of an inch. I can't remember. Okay, so let's see how my cameraman will do. Okay.
TV, like, oh my
Okay, now don't touch anything on the screen, okay? And just hold it. Look, you're covering the camera, so you hold it like that and point it right here. Perfect, okay? Okay, so I really should be screwing through right here where the screw is, but I'll just go a little bit to the side because I'm making it up as I go. That's one of the downfalls. Right about there. I'm just feeling down here. Yeah, boy, I might get a little closer to that. Maybe here, because I want to make sure I'm going through the 2x3s where I need to be, and that's, yeah, I guess that'll work.
4.
Yep. Okay.
1, 2.
Okay. You didn't touch anything, did you?
And there it goes.
Okay. And then I'll go ahead now. I didn't really talk about this. The 2x3 under this one is right against
You
the
see
edge.
it?
Under this one, it's about an inch in. And the reason I did it an inch in, this is the back of the van, and I believe towards the back I may need to trim this up a little bit. It's very close to fitting. It might fit, but if I take a little bit off, I won't touch that 2x3 because it's in about an inch.
And here's Levi.
Okay, son.
Hey,
Please
Levi.
put it back over here. Okay, show this one now. Is it still counting? Yes, we're still filming. Okay, so this one, I've got plenty of room here, and it needs to be right next to that screw, a little bit over.
Okay, watch, guys.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Okay, now that's just a pilot or starter.
That was a little carbon,
Okay,
I
we're going to
guess.
still show some more. Okay, here's what I need. This is, I believe, a 3/8 of an inch bit.
Then watch.
And watch this one, okay? Don't touch anything. So I'm just going to go back through. And this one actually is long enough to go all the way through.
Okay, watch, guys.
And
And here's this one.
Okay.
And
now,
there we go.
keep showing.
And look.
And look. Okay. So let's keep showing them this, okay? Let's get this out of the way. Got that in there? Okay, so there's my washer. It's black just because I did something where I wanted black in a previous project, but no biggie. So this will go down into there. And then I can't really show you this, but I'm just going to put this on the bottom. And then, you know, in the van, it'll be easier to get to this because it'll be, I don't know, 18 or 20 inches.
It's still counting.
Still counting. Okay, we're still filming. Okay, that's about it.
Then look.
Check out Mama's website, right, Isaac? Say,
Yeah.
go buy Cincy from my mama. Tell them that.
Bye, Cincy. Bye, Mama.
Buy Cincy from my mama. Okay. Let me see it for a minute, bud.
And here.
Okay, so let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't get down there, but hopefully you can. And I'll show you more when I, finish it up. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to do to attach the ends. I do something with U-bolts. I can't remember if I've got them in the mail yet.
And we have Bolt on our TV and Jimmy Neutron.
We have Bolt and Jimmy Neutron. Oh man, and Octonauts and all kinds of things. Okay.
And PJ Robot too.
PJ Robot. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.